Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add timer in OBS. To add timer in OBS Studio, you can use the text GDI plus source along with some scripting to create a countdown or count up timer. Here's a basic way to set up timer using the text source and manual update. First, launch the OBS Studio application, which of course you've done here. Then choose an existing scene, or you can create a new one by clicking on the plus icon. Now head over to the sources panel and click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, I'm going to have to delete this one. So click on the plus icon in the sources panel and choose text GDI plus. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and name your source. So you can set this to timer as the name, then select OK. In the text settings window, go ahead and enter a placeholder text such as, we're going to use 00 and colon 00 colon 00. Now do this and adjust the font size, the size itself, and the color as needed. You can scroll the way down and make necessary customization if you want, and click on OK. For a more dynamic and automated timer, you can use the Lua script. So don't forget to head over to the preview to set this timer to wherever you want. Just drag and drop anywhere around the screen and click on the lock icon so that you will not mistakenly reposition it. So you can use the Lua script. And how to use Lua script? Head over to Tools, which is at the top corner, and click on Scripts. And once you click on Scripts, click on the plus icon here and go ahead and select a Lua script for a timer. So let's say countdown and click on Open. But those are not really active. The script is not really active, so just find the one that's active. Now you can find the timer script in OBS forums or script repositories, or create one if you're familiar with Lua scripting. Then add the script, configure the timer settings in the script options, and apply it to your text source. So this is it. So head over to text source and click on that. So you can click on timer as the text source, and that's just going to be it. Now click on close. As you can see, that's been applied. So the Lua script is even active, so that's fine. And you see now that's popping. So if you're not using the scripts, you just need to update the text manually. How do you do that? Just go ahead and right click the text source in the sources panel and click on properties, then change the text to reflect the current timer value. So you can change the text if you want to and click on OK. So ensure the timer updates. Ensure that your timer updates as expected. Now for automated timers, make sure the script is running correctly. Using the script can automate and enhance the timer functionality, but for simple needs, just manual updates or basic text configurations may suffice. Now, go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.